And special thanks to our friends at ESR who were nice enough to send us their Halolock Kickstand wireless power bank. Power and a snap, on-demand kickstand, secure magnetic lock. This is the model 2G505. Just a little information here on the back. USB-C input's 18 watts and the output is 20 watts. The wireless output is 10 watts and 7.5 max for the iPhone with a battery capacity of 10,000 milliamp hours. ESR gear on the side. Tech made easier, ESR. Let's pull our little tabs here, and then it looks like this. Look at that. Nice. So, right on top we have, look at that, the Halolock system, power and a snap. I will say, I like that charger. That looks really nice. In here we have some accessories. That's it for that. This is an included USB-C to USB-C cable. That is to charge your power brick. And then the Kickstand wireless power bank here with a little quick start guide telling you all about it. Very nice. And that's it for the box. So this is the ESR Halolock Kickstand wireless power bank. Very nice. You can see here you got a little indicator. That's your USB-C port. This is your in and out. So what that means is if you didn't want to wirelessly connect this to your phone with the Halolock, you could take a cable, run it from here, and plug it into your phone directly. And then this is the little kickstand. Very nice. I dig it. And lastly, over here is a little power button. Press the power button and it cuts on. Comes with a full charge. I do like that. Other than take my iPhone 14 Pro and it would just magnetize right to it. 79% charged. It is now charging, as you can see with the indicator. Pretty nice. So you could either just set this like this on your desk and allow it to wirelessly charge, or of course use the included kickstand and have it sitting like that on your desk to wirelessly charge. That'll essentially do it for the ESR Halolock Kickstand wireless power bank. Thanks again to ESR who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.